What's up, everyone? It's me, your Studio 3, John Valencian. Welcome back to True Asia Diaries. Mega love shout mga kapuso. Yes, mga kaayos, we are back for All Out Sundays reaction. And this is for their newest segment, which is Super Voices. Yes, correct. Grabe energy ko for Super Voices, no? Exciting to, guys. Kasi ito na nga pinagsama-sama ang mga magagaling sa bosesan ng All Out Sundays. Naka-receive tayo na request to check this out and I saw with KJ as well. So, recently uploaded ito ng GMA Singer. So, syempre nauna si KJ, right? Charit! But before I proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Hear this, guys. Oh my God, excited ako dito. Ay, ang dami nila. Oh, may The Clash Kids din. And Jong is here. Ang Bruno Mars medley nga pala sila. Oh, Arabelle. Oh, The Clash Kids. God, nakita niyo naman harmonization at saka ang simula ni Julian. So we have Thea, we have Rex, John Rex, we have Maring Jessica, Julie, the TNT boys tuloy, the Clash Kids. We have, is this Zephanie? Oh my God, Jenny Sikat is here. We have Arabelle and Jong. Jong Hilario, Charis. Ay, una, Maring Julie. Ganda ng microphone niya. Risk it all. Dinaan tayo sa Maribu Feathers. Oh my God, Julie is giving for the first Super Voices episode. Nako, balikan natin yon. Money Note. Dara Halari. Charit. Ang ganda ng arrangement. Oh, love the dynamics. Whoa. Sustain. Oh my God, Maring Julie giving Dara Halari extravaganza. Ganda na outfit din. From the vocals to the outfit. I mean, by platform. So here's Arabelle and Jong. Do it naman. Wow, love that husky vocal. Wow, grabe yung styling ni Jong. Grabe ang hagod ng isang Jong. I love that husky vocal. Alam mo, may nag-request sa akin to check his The Clash performance. Definitely, I will check that out. Of course, Arabelle, the belt cap champion. Whoa, listen to that escalation. Oh my God, Arabelle is giving. Wow, I love that vocal escalation into the high notes of the vocal flair. The highest note is noting. Balikan natin yung part na yun. Whoa. Go, Jong. Oh my God, ayoko na guys. Alis na ako. Parang hindi naman pala Hindi tayo palalagpasin ng mga power vocals. Kaya naman super voices nga, 'di ba? Oo. Bakit pa kasi nagtataka tayo? Super voices ito. Grabe 'yun. Wow! Wow! Whoa! They finish it with, wow! Love that head tone. So smooth! Wow! Stand out ang Jong. Grabe. Iba rin ang Arabelle sa vocal escalation. Ay, trio naman, guys. Oh my God. Iba rin ang isang channels. Papogi. Ganda ng thin notes niya. Go, Thea. Ganda ng texture. Wow. Na-miss kong boses ng Maring Jessica. Oh my God, di tayo talaga pinalagpas ng Maring Jessica. At bakit ganon, Maring Jessica? Para parehas kayo na outfit ni Julian, maiksi lang yung sa'yo ng very, very light at yung Maribu feathers mo din. She is making it so easy. Listen to that vocal flair of Maring Jessica. Balikan natin. Sinimplihan lang tayo. Hey! Wow! Ganda ng harmony. Love that. Gusto ko yung low tone ni Thea, guys. Grabe. And of course, maririnig niyo yung distinctive vocal nitong tatlong amazing super voices na ito. Let's go back to that. Diba? Rosas na Sucelia for Maring Thea. Charit-charit lang. Wow. I love this segment. Ooh, love the counterparts. Grabe, ayoko na talaga guys. Nakaka-excite yung mga susunod na super voices. Grabe. Ooh. Wow. Oh, love the arrangement. Oh my God. Whoa. Sustained, high notes, single breathing. This amazing trio. Oh my God, guys. Para sa akin, stand out si John Rex at saka si Maring Jessica. As of the moment, they all did so well, but iba ang hagod ni Jessica at ni John Rex. Let's see Jenny Sikat, and the TNT boys, the Clash Kids, Si Yumi Jenny. Oh, Nevin. I think siya yung nag-champion, no? Pogi. Ang cute, Makmak. Ang cute. Hebron. Ay, ito rin, magaling to eh. Ang cute ni Makmak. Oh, diba? Binanatan tayo ni Jenny Sikat, guys. For Zeppelin. Wow, grabe naman ang vocals ng isang Jenny Sikat. Mala Disney princess ang atake. Very theatrical vocal, and of course the Clash kids. Oh my God, I love them. Oh. Galing ng harmonization. The Voice Kids pala. Akala ko the Clash. Oh my God, guys. Maling-mali talaga ako doon. Una, TNT Boys. Naging The Clash Kids. The Voice Kids pala. Oo, ba't yun naman sinabi agad sa akin? Uy, The Voice Kids Boys. Oo, TVK Boys. Ganda. Wow. Whoa! Wow! Uy, Zephanie naman, ikaw naman talaga, Jenny. Oo, alam naman natin talaga na pang born to shine ang kanyang ginagawa, guys. Grabe. Balikan natin. Tapos tinaas pa. Oh! Hey! Ay, ayun no. Oh my God, ang ganda ng segment na to. Oh my ganda ng harmony and the arrangement. Love it. Oh. Oh my God, goosebumps. Wow! Oh my gosh! There you have it, guys. That is AOS Super Voices. Oh my God, grabe. I love that segment, showcasing different super voices from All Out Sundays, from the Voice Kids, the Voice Kids boys, Zephanie, of course, the Clash Champions, and of course, John Rex is there as well. Grabe, and of course, Dara Halari herself, Amaring Julie. Oh my God, grabe, I love it. But for me, stand out si Maring Jessica and John Rex. Iba yung atake nilang dalawa, no? Grabe. And it's si Jong din. But everybody did so well. Grabe, and of course, yung high notes ni Zephanie, guys, grabe yun. And Maring Julie giving it all for this round of Super Voices. Si Maring Thea medyo nag-hold back siya a bit para sa akin. And of course, Arabelle's giving as well. Wow! I'm so excited to see the next Super Voices. Naku, kailangan natin itong maabangan ng every Sunday. Oo, ng real time. Kasi mauunahan na naman tayo ni Maring KJ natin. Oo, kasi talagang real time yan si Maring KJ. And of course, thank you so much, GMA Singers, for uploading this. At talaga naman na-reacta natin at ating na-witness ang first AOS Super Voice. So let's see kung babaguhin yung mga lineup ng mga singers, no? So tignan natin yan sa mga susunod na Sunday. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Lace Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.